Hey gorgeous, welcome back to the God That Would Grow YouTube channel. And in this video, I am really excited to show you how to create a logo using PLACEIT.net. So the first thing you're gonna do is sign up for your account on PLACEIT. So let me do File, New Incognito Window. You can go to PLACEIT.net. And then right up here, you're gonna click sign up. So you can sign up for free. They don't charge you money just to create an account. So you can sign up for free and then go ahead and create your assets. And then if there are things that you like, go ahead and upgrade to a paid plan, or you can pay per download. It's totally up to you. So you just click sign up and then you'll enter in your email, a password, and then go ahead and read these privacy policy terms and conditions and make sure you hit this captcha thing. I don't know how you say that. And then go ahead and click sign up. So I already have my account and I'm already logged in. So to create a logo on PLACEIT for your t-shirt business or for your business in general, you're gonna go right over here to where it says logos. So right up here on the top, more left side of the screen, go ahead and click logos. So what's really cool about PLACEIT is that it gives you so many different types of logos that you can create. So they'll literally let you play around with this. So let's say that I'm gonna make a logo for Stephanie Rodnez. So I'm gonna put in Stephanie Rodnez, put in your brand name, and you're gonna click next. Now remember, you can only have 20 characters for the actual brand name. Then they're gonna ask you to pick an industry. And the reason why they want you to pick an industry is because they're going to give you tons of different options for your logo, but they want it to be as tailor-made to your brand as possible. So you really want to take the time to take a look at all of these different industries that they have and choose one that fits the best for you. So you can do all and take a look at all of them, literally all of them. That's the first option right here, logos all. But for me, let's say that I am doing a t-shirt business under the Stephanie Rodnez brand. So I'll just go ahead and click clothing brand and click let's go. And now what's so cool is they're gonna give you a ton of different options. Look how good these look, sis. Like, look how good these look. And then if you go up here at the very top where it says make a logo for your clothing brand, so you can readjust the words if you think there's something better that you wanna use. You can readjust the actual industry. Here, the power, you can readjust the colors. Ooh la la. So you guys know I absolutely adore pink. Let's say I want the first color to be pink. And then you guys know with God That Would Grow, I like kind of like an off black type of gray. Let's say I want those to be my colors. And you don't have to just do that. You can actually click more and you can put in the hex code for your brand colors as well. For those of you guys who are graphic designers, you guys will probably know your hex codes for your color. You can put in the exact hex code for your brand, which is really cool. And then here you can actually choose a graphic specific to what you actually like. So if you're not feeling the ones that they gave you and you want to add a different one, you can actually scroll through all of this and choose a graphic. How cool is that? So for now, I'm just gonna scroll through. This is Understated Clothing Brand Logo Maker. I actually really like this. I like how clean it is. This one's also very, very clean, very, very nice. This one is such a cute little elephant. Kids T-shirt logo maker. So I'm just gonna scroll through, see if we find something that we really like. Look how many pages that they give us. They give us so many different pages. How insane is that? Oh, that's really cute. Like there's a whole shirt with that one. Ooh, there's an S. There are so many different options. You can be here all day. So give yourself a timer. You're like, I have to choose within 15 minutes so that you're not here all day long. And this is why you want to also select the type of industry. Because if you put all, you'll probably have at least 4,000 different options, which you may like that. For me, I do get overwhelmed. Oh, these shoes are absolutely adorable. I'm gonna take this one. I know I just wanted to show you guys like all the different options that they have, but those shoes are so cute. Oh my goodness. And I could have like a nice little custom made t-shirt or sneakers company. So I'm gonna select this one here. So when you see one that you like, you just select it. And now it's gonna allow you to really, really tailor make this logo to what you like, okay? It's pretty cool. So look at all these different options for sneakers that they have. So if I don't quite love these, I can actually pick different types of sneakers here. And it's endless. It's absolutely endless. And I can, if I wanted to, I could switch those out, get a different type of sneaker. Like these are super cute right here. And if you like it, you just literally select it and then I'll add it to the screen so you can take a look at it. So the accent color, right? So let's say I want the accent color to be the same pink that I chose for my actual logo. So I would just click that and change that color. The main color, this light gray, let's say I want to make that the gray color that I chose for my logo. I would just click that there. How cute is that? So to change these, like this where it says Stephanie Rodnes, Spot, Shoe Store, over here on the left, you'll see where it says Stephanie Rodnes, that's the first line, and then Spot, that's the second line, and then Shoe Store. So if I wanted to change this to Stephanie Rodnes Sneakers, and then change this to Collection, right? So that could be my Stephanie Rodnes Sneaker Collection logo. So let me actually take off the S there. And that's not all you can modify. Let's say that I want for the sneaker to be my gray color. I just click this here, go over to that gray color. Isn't that gorgeous? And let's say that I want for the fonts, maybe these aren't my fonts, maybe I want it to match more of my brand fonts. So I can actually go through and click the font that matches my brand font. So let's say Audio Wide is my brand font. I'll change it there. And let's say that my sub font, so the font that I use for my subtitles and things like that, is a different one. Let me see if there's like a Roboto. There's no Roboto, but this Railway is looking nice. Ooh, and I'm gonna keep the Open Sans. So that's a really nice looking logo right there, but that's still not all that you can do. So this right here, the sneaker is on top and the words are on the bottom, but I can actually make it to the left. By clicking over here, layout, click the left one, and then I can have it over here. I can actually make it to the right. Isn't that cool? I can make it intertwined like that, which is really cute, wow. Or I can go back to the original, which is actually my favorite. So if you wanted to put a background, I actually don't recommend putting backgrounds when you're designing, because if you're gonna put this on a t-shirt, let's say I wanted to put this logo on a white t-shirt, if I put a background, it's gonna print with the white t-shirt. So I like keeping my backgrounds transparent, but if you did wanna do one, you can go over here and you can put these backgrounds, you can just select them. You can select the colors that you want. Let's say I wanted to pop against the yellow. That's actually really, really pretty. It would print really nice, but again, I prefer not having a background, so I'm gonna remove that. Right over here to remove it, you click background again, and you're gonna click this little transparent box here. It looks like a little grid, and that'll remove it. All right, so you can do all that customization, sis, a ton of customization. And when you're ready, what you can do is go ahead up here, and you're gonna either pay $39 to download this as a transparent image, or you can sign up for unlimited subscription. So the unlimited subscription is $19.95 per month or $100 per year, which comes down to just $8.33 per year. Now, if you have a t-shirt business and you're constantly promoting it and creating new assets for it, like new Facebook ads, new video links, new mock-ups, this might be a really good investment for you. For me, I don't sell t-shirts as my primary form of business. I'm a writer. I sell books as my primary form of business. So for me, this kind of investment doesn't make sense because I rarely ever use this. But if t-shirts are your primary form of making money in your business, this might be a really, really good investment for you that pays for itself over and over again. Or if you're like me and you just need the one-off design, like I come onto PLACEIT maybe twice, 3 times a year to do stuff. So I would just pay off just the one-off right here and just click download. And then you can go ahead and download it for $39. And that is a single purchase, okay? So that's how you go ahead. And if I was going to buy it, I would click here. It's going to be no watermark, high resolution PNG, which is what I want, 4,000 by 4,000. So it'll sit beautifully on a t-shirt design, which is great. Commercial use, okay, that's perfect. That means you can actually sell it. So that's perfect. So that's what I would do. So that's how you use placeit.net to create a logo for your t-shirt business or for your business in general. It's a really, really great option to design your own logo, and it allows you to really play with it before you choose what your final look is going to be. Just when you do, go ahead and make sure you save it, okay, so that you can come back to it just in case you need to make any modifications or changes later on. You don't have to start from scratch. You will actually have your image saved. So this is placeit.net. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Comment below. Let me know what video you would like to see next. And if you're not already subscribed to the God the Glory YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscription button. My goal for this channel is for it to be the #1 resource for every woman of faith who wants to live her greatest purpose for Christ as a Christian entrepreneur. So if that's you, go ahead and hit that subscription button. And God willing, I will see you here at Godlywood, girl.
Hey love, thanks so much for watching this video on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button so you can get brand new videos that Godlywood Girl releases. My mission with the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel is for it to empower at least 5 million women of Christ to get unstuck, stop feeling frustrated, and start living God's greatest purpose for their lives. So if you want to join that movement, make sure you click the link below to join me in the Godlywood Girl School of Purpose, where I literally teach you how to start living God's greatest purpose for your life step by step. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.